Hello everyone. Are you looking for the perfect 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Clairemont? Well, look no further. We are right here at 4463 Clairemont Drive, right here in the heart of Clairemont. We're gonna take you on a quick property tour. So let's take a look inside. So as you walk into this property, you'll see the luxury vinyl plank flooring. You'll see the nice large windows here bringing in a lot of natural light. And then we have recessed lighting throughout the living room and the kitchen area. What I love most about this property is all of the little details that this property has and features. So we have the quartz countertop with the bar seating here. You can fit 4 to 5 seats here. And then as we work our way into the kitchen, you'll see the gold finishes on the cabinets, and then you'll see the cabinet colors change on the island here on the peninsula area. We have the stainless steel appliances with the hood. I love these Samsung black and silver appliances. We have the appliance fridge here, the dishwasher here, and then we have the gold touches again here on the kitchen sink. We're gonna walk this way and we will come into the dining area, which is a lot of space here for a dining area. And then we have these really cool light fixtures here and here as we walk into the bonus room area. So the bonus room area we have staged right now as almost a game room, hangout room, so you can have a TV there, have a large couch here, and then we threw a foosball table in here for the staging so you can picture yourself hanging out here, having fun, and then looking out to the backyard. I'm gonna take you guys outside, but first, let's go take a look at the bedrooms. Again, I love the little details like the slat wall here, the colors of the walls here, and we have the first bedroom right here on the front side of the house. Again, it's a larger, spacious bedroom. We have the mirrored closet, and then we have these cool 3-blade fans that I really like. They make the uniqueness of the property pop out. And then we have bedroom number 2 here, also another spacious bedroom. This bedroom is on the back side of the house and does have the view of the backyard and of the canyon. And then the primary bedroom is going to be on that side, but let's jump into the shared bathroom first. So shared bathroom has the double vanities. We have the black finishes here on the faucets. We have the gold touches on the mirrors and a lot of storage space here. We have the toilet area here. I really love this shower and tub combo. We have the gold finishes, but with the black. So the gold blacks tie in here, and then the gold finishes here on the bottom faucet. And again, I really like this tile. It gives it that slat wood look, but it's a nice tile here. And let's go check out the primary bedroom, which is the best bedroom of the house. So primary bedroom is staged with the bed, and we have that unique ceiling fan like we talked about earlier. And as we walk into the primary bedroom, you'll notice all the doors are painted this light gray color, again, giving it a color combination there. We have the gold finishes here and here on the mirror. And then in the shower, we have the gold finishes here, and we have the large walk-in shower here with the little niche and the rainforest or waterfall shower here from the top. So a lot of nice little touches of this property that give it that unique design feel and that design element. Let's go walk back through the house though. So as we step out, you're gonna be under a covered patio, which is great for having your barbecues, your hangout space, having your chairs out here. And then we have this large, spacious backyard. We have a lot of trees, like a lemon tree and a lot of other trees out here. And then it does have a view of the canyon. And so if you or anyone you know is interested in this property right here in Clairemont, feel free to reach out to us today. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with that bonus game room. It is fully remodeled and updated. It has all of those nice unique features to the property, and it could be yours for the right price.